Looking for the best solution to keep your basement dry and protected from flooding? You're in the right place. Best Sump Pump for basement setups can quickly remove water and prevent costly damage. In this video, we'll explore the top sump pumps that offer power, reliability, and peace of mind for your home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Wayn Sump Pump for Basement. The Wayn Sump Pump for Basement is a powerful and dependable option designed to keep basements dry even during heavy rainstorms or flooding situations. Equipped with a high-capacity 3/4 horsepower motor, this sump pump can move up to 5,490 gallons of water per hour, making it a strong performer for homeowners who need reliable water removal. Its robust construction is one of its standout features. Built with heavy-duty cast iron and stainless steel, the pump is engineered to withstand harsh sump pit conditions while maintaining long-term durability. This rugged design helps ensure consistent performance for years with minimal maintenance. Another useful feature is the integrated vertical float switch, which allows the pump to operate automatically when the water level rises. This design also makes it suitable for narrow sump pits, providing flexibility for different basement setups. The pump also includes a top suction anti-airlock design, which prevents clogging and eliminates the need for drilling a weep hole during installation. This small detail can save time and effort during setup while improving overall reliability. Additionally, the pump operates quietly, which is ideal for homes where the sump pit is located near living areas. Homeowners will also appreciate that this pump is assembled in the USA and backed by a 5-year warranty, offering extra confidence in its quality and performance. Overall, the Wayn Sump Pump combines power, durability, and smart engineering to provide dependable basement protection. Number 2. Zoeller Sump Pump for Basement. The Zoeller Sump Pump for Basement is a trusted choice among homeowners and professionals who want a reliable pump that can handle demanding basement water removal tasks. One of the main highlights of this pump is its automatic float-activated switch, which allows it to turn on and off automatically based on the water level in the sump pit. This ensures that water is removed promptly without requiring manual intervention, making it an efficient and convenient solution for flood prevention. Durability is another area where this sump pump stands out. The pump features a solid cast iron construction for the switch case, motor, and pump housing. This rugged design helps the pump withstand continuous use and harsh sump pit environments while maintaining stable performance. The plastic base also helps reduce vibration and adds stability during operation. Another key feature is the non-clogging vortex impeller design, which allows the pump to move water efficiently while reducing the risk of blockages caused by debris. This is especially useful in basement environments where dirt, sediment, or small debris may be present in the water. By minimizing clogging issues, the pump can operate more reliably and require less maintenance over time. Number 3. LANCHEZ Sump Pump for Basement. The LANCHEZ Sump Pump for Basement is designed to provide strong water removal performance while maintaining energy efficiency and quiet operation. Powered by a half-horsepower efficient PSC motor, this pump can move up to 5,200 gallons of water per hour and lift water to a height of 26 feet. This makes it a practical solution for handling basement flooding caused by heavy rainfall, melting snow, or drainage issues. One of the most important features of this pump is the automatic vertical float switch. This system allows the pump to turn on and off automatically depending on the water level in the sump basin. The switch activates when the water reaches approximately 10.24 inches and turns off once it drops to about 4.33 inches, helping maintain a safe water level without manual monitoring. Durability is another major advantage. The pump is built with a cast iron body and stainless steel casing, providing corrosion resistance and improved cooling during operation. These materials help extend the pump's lifespan even in tough sump pump applications. It also includes built-in thermal overload protection, which automatically shuts down the motor if it begins to overheat or runs dry, preventing potential damage. The pump also comes with a 10-foot waterproof power cord and a convenient carrying handle, making installation easier. Number 4. Limodot Sump Pump for Basement. The Limodot Sump Pump for Basement offers strong pumping power and flexible use for a variety of household water removal tasks. With a 1.5 horsepower high-efficiency motor, this submersible pump is capable of moving up to 4,000 gallons of water per hour, which is equivalent to around 66 gallons per minute at a 5-foot lift. It also features a maximum lift capacity of 31 feet, making it suitable for draining basements, pools, ponds, or flooded areas around the home. Portability and convenience are key highlights of this pump. Weighing only 10.8 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to move between locations. The pump also includes a 25-foot power cable, allowing users to place the pump farther from power outlets without needing extension cords. A comfortable carrying handle further improves ease of use during installation and relocation. Another useful feature is its low suction capability, which allows the pump to remove water down to just 1/5 inch from the surface. This helps eliminate standing water more effectively after flooding or leaks. The outlet size is 1 1/2 inches, and it comes with multiple adapters compatible with various hose sizes and fittings, providing greater installation flexibility. The pump's body is made from durable thermoplastic material, which offers strong corrosion resistance and long-term durability. Number 5. Cleartide Sump Pump for Basement. The Cleartide Sump Pump for Basement is a smart and versatile water removal solution designed for homeowners who want both automatic protection and manual control options. One of its most impressive features is the Smart Auto mode, which uses a precision electronic water level sensor to start pumping automatically when the water level reaches about 1 1/5 inches and stop when it drops to around 1/5 inch. This helps maintain a dry basement while reducing the need for constant monitoring. In addition to automatic operation, the pump also includes a manual mode that allows users to remove water instantly whenever needed. This flexibility makes it useful for a variety of situations, such as draining pools, removing standing water, or handling unexpected flooding. Safety and durability are also major strengths of this pump. It features triple protection systems, including dry run protection, overload protection, and overheating prevention. The 100% copper wound motor runs cooler and lasts longer compared to motors made with cheaper materials. The pump also includes a patented smart protection system that can detect issues like rotor lock or air locks and resolve them automatically. Another convenient feature is the quick airlock release button, which allows users to clear airlocks instantly without tools or complicated maintenance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.